going to do today?
Midnight Visitor.
Yes. Once again, good morning, everybody.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your videos should be on. All of you must switch on your videos. If you feel any problem with the on video, you can take permission and then only switch off the video. Okay? One, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Bhuvneshwar, switch on your video. Kunal. Priyanshu. You will have to keep your video on. Bhuvneshwar, I will not start
Yes,
till
ma'am.
your video is on. Nisha. Nisha Yadav, switch on your video. Who is this Nisha Yadav? I will remove you from the class. Switch on your video. I want to see your face. Who is there? I'm going to remove you. This is the last warning. Suyash, also switch on your video. Video should be switched on. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you. The last warning, Suyash.
मैम उसकी ओपन नहीं हो सकती
Why?
मैम पीसी पे बैठा है मैम कैमरा नहीं है उसके
Who is this answering? ये बेटा आंसर कौन दे रहा है सुयश के नाम पे? मुझे ये तो बता दो जरा.
Bhavesh.
Bhavesh. Bhavesh, you will be responsible if something happens wrong in this name. Okay? Okay, let's start. You know, we are going to do, now if you feel any problem, now you can switch off your video, but only if you feel any problem. Okay, and that also with permission. The lesson is the midnight visitor. You know the story of the chapter. Who is the midnight visitor and where does he visit and why does he come there? The midnight visitor is a story having two main characters. One is Ozabal and the other is Fowler. In the story, there is a writer who writes romantic stories and thrillers, and he goes to see Ozabal in the place where he lives, and he lives in a place which is a gloomy French hotel, and on the top floor in a very small room. And the writer who goes to see him, what is his name? Fowler. Fowler is his name. He goes to see him because he wants to write about him. But he gets very sad to see him that he was not such a personality who he thought of and what type of he thought. And he, although he does not say anything, but then happens a very thrilling episode that as soon as they reach the room, There is a person in the locked room. He is standing midway, having a pistol in his hand, and that is a secret agent. That is the other secret agent, and the name is Max. Max enters the room through passkey, but Ozabal makes a story to get rid of him, and he is successful in getting rid of him completely. So it becomes the thrill of the day for Max. So let's start the chapter. Hope you have the books with you. The first stanza, the first paragraph, Ozabal was for one thing fat. Find it. Ozabal was for one thing fat. Got it or not?
Got it.
Page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
14, page number 14, second paragraph. And you are to take only this much. Ozabal was for one thing fat, very fat. And then there was his accent. The question is, who was Ozabal?
Ozabal was a
Answer
secret.
any
was a
of
secret
you.
agent.
Very good. Yes, very good. Ozabal was a secret agent. This much only answer is enough. Next question is, why does the narrator mention that Ozabal was fat? Why does the narrator mention that Ozabal was fat?
Yes, ma'am.
Why does the narrator mention that Ozabal was fat? Why does he say that he was fat? This is nothing to be told because fat are also people.
Ma'am, because generally the agents are always thin.
Secret agents, beta. Secret agents are generally the thin and slim people. Okay, or you can say the spies are generally thin and thin and slim people, but because he was a secret agent and was fat, that is why the narrator mentions it. Next is, what was Ozabal's accent? What was Ozabal's accent? Nobody knows? Okay, tell me, what is the meaning of accent? What is the meaning of accent? No one knows.
Ma'am, what?
Meaning of accent. It is given on the last word, and then there was his accent. What is its meaning? What is the meaning of accent? No one knows. Okay, write it down. Its meaning is the way to speak. The way to speak. Look, if someone is Rajasthani, the whatever language he speaks, but the touch will come. होता है ना ऐसा? If someone is Punjabi, he will speak English, but a touch of Punjabi language will come on his language. That is known to be the accent. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question is, what was Ozabal's accent? No one knows.
German.
Ma'am,
American, beta. Ozabal's accent was American. Okay. Ozabal's accent was American. The same way, one more question can be there. What languages did he speak? What languages did Ozabal speak?
French and German.
French, German,
American.
He spoke
German,
French
American.
and German. French, German and American, but his accent was American. Okay. Next question is, why did the narrator find Ozabal's accent to be peculiar? Why did the Why did the narrator find Ozabel's accent to be peculiar? Nobody is able to answer. What is the meaning of this question? Please tell me. Tell this question in Hindi. What does the writer wants to ask? Why did the narrator find Ozabel's accent to be peculiar?
मैम राइटर को मैम ओजेबल का वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग अजीब क्यों लगता था?
हाँ, अलग तरह का क्यों लगता था? ठीक है,
अलग लगता।
because where did he live? He lived in Paris
फ्रांस।
for last 20 years, but still he used to speak in the American accent. That is why it was peculiar. Okay, got it now?
यस मैम।
For whom is the word his used here? For whom is the word his used here?
Ozabal.
Yes, Ozabal. His is used for Ozabal. Very good. The next passage is, and as the light came on Fowler and his first authentic thrill of the day. Got it?
Yes,
Page
ma'am.
number 15, third paragraph. And as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. Okay. The question is, who was Fowler?
Fowler was a writer
Fowler
and
was a
writer.
of
Yes,
Was a
Fowler
writer.
was a
of
writer. Very good.
Writer.
Who used to write in espionage. Espionage means thrills. Next question is, where did the light come on?
in the Ozabel's room.
In the Ozabel's room. Where did the light come on? कहाँ पर light आई थी? In Ozabel's room. What was Fowler's first authentic thrill? What was Fowler's?
There was a man who was having a pistol in his hand.
Where was he?
In the Ozabel's room.
Across the room.
Yes.
room.
A man
Ozabel's room.
with a pistol in his hand was standing in Ozabel's room. This will be the answer. A man with a pistol in his hand was standing in Ozabel's room. Next question. Who was the man who stood halfway across the room?
He was another secret agent, Max.
Very good. He was another secret agent, Max. Next question. Why did he hold a pistol in his hand?
He wants to take a contract with
He wants
Ozabel.
to
He
take
wanted, beta.
important
Whenever there is
papers.
did in the question, use second form of verb in the answer. He wanted.
He wanted important files of paper.
He wanted. He
Important
wanted
papers.
to control the unwanted things in the room. He wanted to control the unwanted things in the room. इसीलिए लेते हैं ना हम पिस्टल, जिन लोगों के हाथ में होती है कि जो चीज उनके कंट्रोल के बाहर नहीं होगी उसको कंट्रोल में कर लेंगे, है ना? So he wanted to control the unwanted things in the room. Where was the man standing?
Man was standing in Ozabel's room.
The man was standing in Ozabel's room. What did he
Ozabel's room.
have in his hand?
Pistol. Automatic pistol.
Pistol.
An automatic pistol. He had an automatic pistol in his hand. Next passage is, this is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room. Got it? This is the second time in a month.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. 16 page number.
Yes, tell everybody.
First paragraph.
Page number or third line, first paragraph.
Yes, page number 16, first paragraph, third line. This is the second time and you will take it. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. Now, the question is, who speaks these words to whom and
Ozable.
when? Just
Ozable
wait.
Possible
speak
speak
these
to
words to
What else
Max.
speaks
I
to-
will ask the question in parts. First is, who speaks these words?
Ozable.
Possible.
Possible.
Ozable speaks these words. To whom are these words spoken?
Max.
Max.
Max. Yes, these words are spoken to Max. And when does he speak these words?
When Max enter his room.
When Max enters his room, in spite of it was locked. उसने room lock कर रखा था ना, फिर भी वो घुस गया था. So he speaks these words to Max when he enters his room in spite of it being locked. Got it? Why is the speaker feeling upset here? Why is the speaker feeling upset here? Try to answer, beta. Why is the speaker feeling upset? No one is able to answer. The speaker is feeling upset because he is expecting a report on some missiles and he does not want any outsider in the room that side. Got it? The speaker is upset because he is expecting some report on missiles and he does not want any outsider that time. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, why is the balcony a nuisance for the speaker? Why is the balcony a nuisance for the speaker?
When nonsense meaning?
फालतू की चीज, बकवासबाजी. Why is the balcony a nuisance for the speaker? Not able to answer? Mehul?
As there is no real balcony.
No, beta, you will not answer this way that you know what happened. You will have to answer according to this paragraph. In this paragraph,
Second
Ozable is
time.
saying that I will look into the matter for the nuisance of a balcony. He says, or you can say, the balcony is a nuisance for the speaker because it has been used twice to enter his room. Because it has been used twice to enter his room. Okay? Got it? Next question is, was the balcony really a nuisance?
No.
Was the balcony? Yes. Was the balcony really a nuisance? No, the balcony was not a nuisance. Next question is, how many times in a month, according to Ozable, anybody enter his room through balcony?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
Was there really a balcony?
No.
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 The question can be this way. What was the existence of the balcony? What was the existence of the balcony? Then
There is no existence of balcony.
yes, there was no existence of balcony. You know, actually there was no balcony. There was only a simple window. You know, so there was no existence of balcony. Yes. What story did what story did Ozabal make to get rid of Max?
Ozabal make a story that there is a balcony outside the window.
Very good. Ozabal made a story that there was a balcony outside the window. Next one, next passage. I did not know about the balcony. I did not know about the balcony. Next paragraph, first line, the last word. I did not know about the balcony. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I did not know about the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble had I known. The question is, who speaks these lines?
Max.
Max.
Max speaks these lines. To whom is he speaking?
Ozabal.
Yes, he is speaking to Ozabal. When does he speak these words?
When
And he
Ozabal
enters
made the story of the balcony outside the window.
Very good. When Ozabal makes the story of the balcony outside the window. Next question is, why does the speaker say that he did not know about the balcony?
Because he did not enter in the room through the balcony.
Yes,
Ma'am,
because he did not. Yes, tell.
Because Ozabal said that you may be entered from the balcony.
You might have entered. Okay, you might have entered. And the one more answer can be because he had not used the balcony to enter the room. Next question is, which balcony is the point of discussion over here? Which balcony?
The balcony of
point
Ozabal
of discussion.
Balcony of the Ozabal room outside the window.
Yes, balcony of Ozabal's room outside the window. Next question is, why does the speaker say that if he had known about the balcony, it would have saved him trouble?
As anyone came, he can hide in the balcony.
No. Listen the question once again. Why does the speaker say that if he had known about the balcony, it would have saved him trouble? ऐसा क्यों कहता है कि अगर उसे
there is too trouble to came inside the locked door.
Yes, to come inside the locked room. Or you can say because he could have saved himself from the trouble of arranging a pass key. You know how he entered the room? Through a pass key. पास की से एंटर किया था ना उसने, तो अगर उसको पता होता कि बालकनी है तो उसकी पास की जो चोर चाबी है वो बनवाने की उसकी टेंशन खत्म हो जाती. Who is I in the passage?
Max.
Yes.
Max.
For what is it used? For what is it used?
The balcony.
The balcony. The
Yes.
balcony.
It is used for the balcony. Next passage is, if I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And on the same page, third last paragraph. Third last paragraph, first line, last words.
Yes,
ma'am. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. The question is, who is telling these words?
Ozabal.
Max. To Max.
To whom is he saying these words?
To Max.
To Max.
To Max. Yes.
Ma'am, Max.
Very good. Who are they at the door?
The police.
They are the police according to
The
Ozabal.
police.
Police according
Yes.
to
Now
the
tell me.
Police.
The police. The police is who are they? And the answer is they is used for the police. Is this right or wrong?
Police.
Is this right or wrong? They is used for police. Is this right or wrong?
Only according to
And
Ozabal.
according to this passage.
Yes,
so it
very
is
good.
right.
According to Ozabal, it was police. So you will
Ozabal.
have to answer. According to Ozabal, they at the door were the police. Okay. Who is actually at the door?
Waiter.
The waiter.
Henry. The name of the waiter is given Henry. The waiter
And
was actually at the door. Why wouldn't they hesitate to shoot? Why wouldn't they hesitate to shoot?
Because Ozabal was having a important note for missile, and
And
for
he have already-
securing the important note, they will shoot the
Yes,
Max.
because according to Ozabal, he had told the police that some important report was about to come to him, and for its safety, the police would not hesitate to shoot. Was the door locked or unlocked?
them unlocked.
Yes. The next passage is unlocked. Yes, unlocked. Next passage is Max's face was black with anger. Max's face was black with anger.
This man very बर्थडे कब से है?
They say same page, second last paragraph.
झूठ झूठ कितना झूठ
Same page, second last paragraph. Don't talk in between, beta. The passage is Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. He swung leg over the sill, send them away. He warned. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why is Max angry? Why is Max angry?
Outside the doors, police.
As Ozabal told him that outside the door there was police and they will shoot him.
Very good. When Ozabal told him that there was police outside the door and they will shoot, then he became angry. Why did Max go to the windowsill? Why did Max go to the windowsill?
To hide from
As
police.
For hiding the police.
Outside the door.
Very good. To hide himself from the police. Who are them here? Who are them here?
The police.
The police.
Yes, them is used for the police. Why does Max want to send them away? Why does Max want to send them away?
Because
As
he
he
wants
wants
to steal the
He wants
important note for missile.
papers.
Yes, because when the police goes away, he wants to have the report from Ozabal. Next question is, what happens to Max soon after he gives the warning? What happens to Max soon after he gives the warning?
Max had fallen from the
He
building.
fell down from the balcony.
Yes, he falls himself down from the balcony. वो अपने आप गिरा लेता है ना जानबूझ के.
Yes, ma'am.
He falls himself
Yes,
down
ma'am.
from the balcony.
Balcony.
Who is he here?
The Max.
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 Max, the max नहीं होता बेटा. You know we never use the with name. Next, the last passage is keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man.
17 page number first paragraph.
Yes, 18 page, first paragraph. Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. This is the last paragraph, and the 3 minutes are left. We need not join because the lesson is over. Whenever it is over, you can do the remaining if it is remained yourself and ask me if there is any doubt. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the man with the gun?
Max.
Max. Max is the man with
Max.
the gun. On whom does he point his gun?
At Ozabal.
Ozabal and
he pointed
Fowler.
the gun.
Both. He pointed his gun towards Ozabal and Fowler.
Ozabal and
Both. It is
Fowler.
given.
Yes,
Covered
ma'am.
the man and his guest. Who was the guest? Fowler.
Fowler.
He points his gun towards Ozabal and Fowler. Why does the man
Fowler.
with the gun grasp the window frame?
Ma'am,
As
because
his
Ozabal told that there was a balcony.
To maintain balance, he grasped the window
In balance. Support himself.
to grasp
maintain
to
balance.
make his to maintain balance. What does the man do next?
Then he swing his other leg and
Yes,
He swings his other leg up and over the windowsill.
yes. He swings over the windowsill to get out of the view of the police. He swings over the windowsill to get out of the view of the police. What happened to the man with the gun?
he
Finally
falls down
died.
because there is no window. Sorry.
Yes, he fell down. Happens, yes, happens
Fell
that
down.
he falls down from the
Window.
which
From
floor?
the balcony.
Which floor?
Window.
Which floor?
From the sixth
Yes, he falls
Sixth
down
floor.
from the 6th floor of the hotel
floor.
and he
Oh.
dies. Who is the author of this chapter?
Robert
Having the
Arthur.
books हैं आपके पास, बताना कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है. Robert Arthur. Next,
Robert Arthur.
last one, the last paragraph. He won't return. Who is he here?
Ma'am,
He won't return. Who is he here?
Possible.
Max.
Max.
Max, beta.
Max.
Who will never
Yes,
return? Max.
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 Max. Okay. So this was the chapter. Thank you. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Well,